Really kitty.
Can you describe what you saw when you walked into that TV?
What are they doing? Go slow. Go slow. Off to the side. That's it.
I saw Betty.
Are you making a stack of kitty pictures?
Suffocating.
I'm just ripping their off.
Go slow. Yeah, that's right. Taking them off. That works pretty good. There, you did it.
I did it.
You did. Off to the side and then we'll come. There. What is that kitty doing? You have to see what each kitty's doing. Where's what? Who is it?
It's Fernando.
Yeah, it was Peter, yeah. Looking in a mirror. Very cute.
Look, he's jumping.
What's he doing?
He's jumping over the line.
He's jumping over a line. Go slow. If you take too many, it doesn't come off easily. You have to go slowly. That's it. What's that kitty doing? What's that kitty doing?
I'm looking somewhere.
I can see that, but what's the picture of the kitty doing?
The